How's it going, everyone? Eryan with Siegfried's Motorwerx here today. We have another walk around video. This is the newest unit we have in stock here at Siegfried's Motorwerx. 2008 Yamaha Zuma 50cc 2-stroke. This one's in really nice condition, ready to ride. We're just going to point out all the good and the bad about it here for you guys. Coming around the back, it is missing the bottom of the mud flap here. I do have those here if somebody wants it. Typically people remove them, so we have that one off anyway. Brand new Michelin Reggae rear tire. Exhaust is in really nice shape. Come around through, there is a little bit of scratching here on the passenger foot peg. This side's in nice shape. Little scuffing on the mirror here. Seat's in good shape. Grab bar does have some scratching on it. That's typical, just from how this stuff is. I would assume that this one had like a pack on it at some point. All right. Turning signal lens is nice, no scratches. Little scratch here on the leg shield. Front fender's in real nice shape. Typically there's a scratch across here, nothing on this one. There is some damage here, some scratching. Not sure what it's from, but that is there. These are about 35 bucks from the dealer, so if that bothers somebody, we would replace it. Excuse me. Brand new front Michelin Reggae tire. Brand new front brakes on this one as well. EBC brand. Little scuffing here on the headlight shield. This side's in nice shape. Little scuffing here. Back of the leg shield's in nice shape. The plastics are all still nice. They're not grayed out yet, so this one was stored inside from what we would guess. CVT cover's in nice shape. EGR is still intact. Rear shock's in nice shape as well. Cool thing with the Zuma is kick and electric start. Just under 4,500 miles on this. It will probably have 4,500 miles on it. It will probably have 4,500 miles on it at time of pickup, just because I do have to do a test ride on this one. Also, just put a brand new battery in this one too. Really nice 2-stroke scooter. And again, 4,500 miles. One more thing that was done to this is it does have the dual headlight mod. Gives you a little bit better visibility. But at any rate, this one's available at www.smwx717.com. If you can, hit that like button, hit subscribe, stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorwerx. Leave a comment and let us know what you think of this Yamaha Blue 2008 Yamaha Zuma 2-stroke bug eye.